Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix ARC Raiders if it is not launching on Steam. First, completely close Steam. Make sure it is not still running in the background by checking the system tray or task manager. Next, find your Steam shortcut on the desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Once Steam opens with administrator rights, launch ARC Raiders again and check if the game starts normally. If the issue continues, the next step is to clear the Steam app cache. Close Steam completely. Open the folder where Steam is installed on your computer. Inside the Steam folder, locate the folder named App Cache and delete it. If the game still does not open, verify the game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click ARC Raiders and select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan all game files and automatically replace any missing or damaged files. When the verification is complete, restart Steam and launch the game again. Thanks for watching.